We're here at Anthem Skate Shop, and I'm going to show you how to do a backside 50-50 grind, also called an axle grind. So first thing you want to do is start with a stall, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So to do that, you start by coming up and getting your back truck on like that. Then you turn your head and your shoulders over to get your front truck on. And then if it gets stuck like too far back, then you can just push your back foot forward like this, and then you'll be able to get out.
Try to get another one.
So when you're like this, you need to kind of do a manual like that, and then you turn your body. Then it's kind of just like a drop in. So you manual, turn your body, and then drop in. Then you just turn your body, and it'll come off. If they're too far off the rail, you can scooch like that a little forward, and then it makes it easier. If you want to do a grind and make your board go across the rail like that, you need to hit the rail at an angle and moving fast, and then that'll make your board move across the rail. When you point your arm around like that, it'll make your board turn and go around the rail. So while you're on the rail, you should try bending your knees and keeping your speed. Because if you don't have enough speed, your board will stop moving, and if you don't bend your knees, you'll fall off your board. I like doing backside 50-50s because it just feels so good when you land one. It's also a good trick to keep your speed and keep your stance regular.